The Cat in the Hat has a best friend named Max. They are bestest friends, and that's a fact. The cat is teaching Max to use his speech to ask for all the things Max may need. When Max needs to use the bathroom, he needs to say pee pee, and Max's mom puts the potty right where he can see. When Max wants food, he needs to say, I want to eat. And when he says, I want to eat, Max's mom will give him a treat. Max doesn't eat green eggs and ham because his name is Max, not Sam I am. Max needs to say TV when he wants to watch a show, and right over to turn the TV on, Max's mom will go. When Max is finished with something, he says, all done, and then Max can move on to the next activity and keep having fun. Max should give his mom his cup and say juice when he wants a drink, and then mom will fill up his cup before he can blink. Max's mom says good morning when Max wakes up, and then Max likes to get a drink from his cup. Max goes to the potty when he gets out of bed, and then Max's mom helps him brush his teeth and his head. In the morning, Max gets dressed for school. Max's mom gives him a bus snack so he can be cool. When Max gets to school, he plays nice with his friends, and he listens to his teachers from beginning to end. When Max gets home, he takes off his shoes because Max knows keeping the house clean is cool. When Max wants mom's attention, he says, Mom, Mom, Mom. When Maxie calls Mom, he knows Mom will come. Max says help when there's something he needs. To get help, Max can also say please. When someone helps Max, then Max says thank you, because Max knows it's the polite thing to do. At dinner time, Max eats all his food. He gets a cookie when he's done for doing so good. When Max gets upset, Mom says, Max, calm down. Then Max and Mom figure out how to turn his frown upside down. Max likes bath time because he likes to swim. When Mom says, bath time, Max is excited to get in. When it's time for bed, Max's mom lets him turn out the lights. Then Max lays down, and Max's mom says good night.